Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to start with chapter number 2, standard 6, lines and angles. Topic number 2.1, that is point. Point is a simple dot on the paper. Point is a dot on paper. Then another point determines precise location. And point has no length. Let's note down few points about point. Point, or we can say dot. Point has no length. Point is a simple dot on paper and it has precise location. What do you mean by precise location? If I draw XY plane or a graph, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, these are some coordinates, 1, 2, this is 0, this is 1 and 2 in y direction. If I make a point here, it will give a precise location, that is 2 in x-axis and 1 in y-axis. That means it has a 2, 1, that is precise location, and length equals to 0. Now let's discuss next topic, that is line segment. Topic number 2.2, line segment. Line segment is denoted by AB and line above it. Line segment has fixed length. Line segment has fixed end point. This is the example given, that is line segment AB. Line segment AB has fixed end point and fixed length. Line segment AB is denoted by AB bar, that is AB bar. We can also write AB bar is same as BA bar. Let's note down some points about line segment. Line segment denoted by A, B and bar above it. Line segment has fixed length, it has fixed end points, denoted as AB bar, and it is same as BA bar. We can represent it in one of these two ways. Now let's discuss next topic, that is topic number 2.3, line. Line is line segment extended in both direction endlessly. It is a line segment A to B extended beyond A in one direction and beyond B in other direction without any ends. Then it is represented by line is represented by AB and arrow above it. We can also write AB as BA. Now let's note down some points about line. Line represented as AB and arrow above it. Line extends up to infinite or endlessly in both directions. It has no end points. It is represented by AB or BA. If I try to draw a picture, this is a line A, B. Now let's discuss next topic. Topic number 2.4. Topic number 2.4, ray. We says that sun rays are falling on earth. This is sun and this is earth. Sun rays are falling on earth. What is ray? Ray is a portion of line that starts from one point. Let us say this is a point that is sun and extends or goes endlessly in a direction. That is, goes endlessly in a direction. Ray is represented by AB and arrow above it. That is, this example is given, that is ray AP. Or I can represent it like AP and arrow above it. Now let's note down few points about ray. Ray is represented by AB and arrow in one direction. Ray has one fixed point and extends endlessly in other direction. It is represented as ray AB. It has one fixed point, that is A, and extends up to infinity, or we can say endlessly, in other direction. I cannot write ray AB is same as ray PA. No, because the direction is fixed. It starts from point A and goes up to endlessly in other direction. It starts from point A and goes up to endlessly in other direction. What does this say is that starts from B, but no, the ray which we have defined, it starts from A. So these both are not same. And say that this is wrong representation. Now let's solve, figure it out. Question number 1. Rihan marked a point on a piece of paper. Let us say this is a point. How many lines can he draw that passes through the point? Lines that are passing through the point that are infinite. From one single point, we can draw infinite number of lines. Now question number 1, part 2. Sheetal marked 2 points on a piece of paper. How many different lines can she draw that passes through both the points? Let us say these are 2 points that are A and B. We can draw only one line. Sheetal can draw only one line. If they ask for a ray, for example, these are 2 points, then we can draw two different rays. That is, this is one ray A, B, and this is another ray. This is ray B, A, and this is ray A, B. So question is about how many lines can we draw from 2 points. The answer is 1. That is this. And how many lines can we draw from a single point? We can draw infinite lines from a single point. Answer is infinite lines. Now let's solve question number 2. Name the line segments in figure number 2.4. Which of the 5 marked points are on exactly one line segment and which are on exactly 2 line segments? This is a line segment LM. Let us note down the line segments. Line segment LM, line segment MP, line segment PQ, line segment QR. There are 4 line segments, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now these are the points. Points are point L, M, P, Q and R. The point L is on one line segment. Point L is on one line segment. Line segment, that is LM. Then point M is on 2 line segment, that is LM and MP. Point P is on 2 line segment, that is MP and PQ. Then point Q is also on 2 line segment, that is PQ and line segment QR. And point R is on only one line segment, that is QR. So the answer will be points that are on one line segment. One line segments are 1 and 2. 2 points that are on one line segment, that is L and R points that are on one line segment. And the points that are on 2 line segments are, there are 3 points that are M, P and Q. Now let's solve next question. Question number 3. This says that name the rays shown in the figure 2.5. T is the starting point of each of these rays. Is T the starting point of each of these rays? Name the rays shown. Rays are TA is one ray and TB is another ray. And T is the starting point of both the rays. TA starts from point T and TB also starts from point T. Now let's solve. So the answer of this question is yes. T is starting point of both rays or each of these rays. Question number 4. Draw a rough figure and write labels appropriately to illustrate each of the following. OP line and OQ line meets at point O. If I draw OP line and OQ line, this is line OP, OP, and this is another line OQ that meets at point O. Now next question. Ray XY and line PQ intersect at point M. Ray XY, that is, this is a ray XY and line PQ. This is line PQ intersect at point M. This is a point M. Ray XY and line PQ intersect at point M. Now next question C. Line L contains point E and F but not point D. Let us draw a line L. This is a line L. It contains point E and F. This contains point E and F but not point D. So point D is not on the line. Next question D. P lies on AB. That means this is a AB and point P lies on AB. Question number 5. In figure 2.6, name 5 points. Points are D, E, O, C and B. Line. Line is DB. DB is a line. Then next question. 4 rays. Rays are OB is a ray. Then we have OC as a ray, OD as a ray and ED as a ray. Then 5 line segments. Line segments are DE, DO, then we have EO, then we have OB and OC. 5 line segments. Next question, question number 6. Here is a ray OA. It starts at point O and passes through a point A. It starts at point O and passes through point A. And it also passes through point B. Can you also name it as OB? Yes. We can also name this as OB. Why? Because this also passes from point B. So the starting point is O and it extends endlessly in the direction of B. So we can write this as OB. Yes. Why? The reason of A 6A is starting point of ray is O and it extends endlessly in direction of B. Next question 6b says that can we write OA as AO? Why or why not? We have discussed we cannot write OA as AO. Why? Because the starting point of OA is O, but starting point of ray AO is not O. Starting point of ray AO is A. We have discussed here. We cannot write ray AB as BA. Why? Because the direction of AB is not same as direction of BA. Direction is not same. So this is the end of this figure it out. In next lecture we will discuss about topic number 2.5 angles. Thank you.